Guys, I'm Kristen and today we're gonna be finally decorating my hutch for Christmas. I do a fun gingerbread theme with everything that I've made throughout the years, plus some fun things that I've bought, but it needs some love because it has been looking like this for a couple months now. So, I'm thinking we can do a fun transition. Anyways, I hope that transitioned perfectly. If not, I'm just not the best at that. Okay, so I thought this would be fun to do a talking type video because I don't normally do those. It's usually just like, you don't see me ever. These honestly are my favorite things. I got these from TJ Maxx and Hobby Lobby when they're on sale. When they're not, they're expensive. And I noticed that Hobby Lobby has them for like $75, $80 right now. Half off, 40, which is crazy. Obviously it's a gingerbread theme, but I want it to do like a bakery theme. So we're gonna do the bakery theme. I have two Rae Dunn jars. One says cookies, one says gingerbread. And I kind of keep this one up all year and I just like flip it over so it's plain all year. And then I just bring it back so it doesn't get broken. Okay, so I'm gonna do one on each side. I'm gonna do one here and then I'm gonna do one over here. So they kind of match. I guess it doesn't have to, but that's what we're working with. And then these little guys I made, so we're gonna set them maybe up here and then put some of these like smaller items on this tray here. I also love making faux books. I made some this year as well. These ones are a little bit larger and I'm gonna be adding the new ones. This is one of the new ones. And I think that hot chocolate, hot cocoa, and gingerbread, I think they all kind of like blend together, so I like to use them all together. Also, it's Black Friday, so happy Black Friday to everyone who goes out. I don't think it's as fun as what it used to be, so I do all of my shopping online. The jewelry that I wear, I honestly get asked about this all the time, the jewelry I wear. It is by Ana Luisa. All the time. This is actually my favorite necklace, and I'll show some like better close-up. So this is one of them. This one is my favorite. It is so pretty. It is like a little gold heart, and then I always stack them. This is like when they're like, I think it's a paper clip necklace. I will link them down below. I've had this one for quite a few years now, but I love stacking their jewelry. I just think it is so pretty. So I wear these all the time, and that's where I get it from. And I will link everything down below. I have a personalized link for you guys. Ana Luisa is having a killer Black Friday sale. I gift their jewelry to my oldest daughter all the time. She is 15 and I think it is perfect for anyone. My mom also gets gifted many of their items, and I love that they have a 2-year warranty, so they back it up for 2 years. Also, it's tarnish free and it is water resistant, so I never take my jewelry off. I don't really have a need to, so I sleep with it, I take a shower with it, and it still looks like it is brand new. And since Ana Luisa is having a great Black Friday sale, it is up to 30% off site-wide. And plus, if you spend $130, they are going to throw in a free piece of jewelry for you guys. So don't wait. Get everything while you can now. They have such affordable prices with high quality jewelry. I am obsessed with it. They also sent me this piece as well. I'm actually going to gift this one. It is one of their teardrops. I actually have this one as well. I want to say I have pretty much every piece of jewelry that they have ever come out with. And personally, I prefer the gold plated, but if you love silver, they also have silver options too. So these are just the gold options, but I love this teardrop. I think this one is so pretty, and this one obviously is a heart, but they're really fun to stack. They look so cute. You can like I'm just wearing like a t-shirt right now, just a black t-shirt with a jean jacket, and it always just makes everything just look a little more fancy, and you just look a little more put together when you have their jewelry on. So like I said, if you guys want to check them out, I'm going to link it down below in my description box. You guys do not want to miss their Black Friday sale, so make sure that you go ahead and check it out. And if you spend $130, you get a free piece of jewelry. So anyways, happy Black Friday shopping, everybody. I am honestly prolonging this decorating. I'm kind of having a hard time, and I'm not sure why. I do have a giant Lego set here, so don't mind that. That is just, it's been there since Christmas, and we don't really have the room for it. My daughter loves Legos, and anyways, so we have that there. But this, and I guess I'll just take this stuff down. This is not flowing, but I want to have some sort of shelf, and I don't know where the one is I had last year, because I was like looking to see what it looked like last year. I might leave it, I might add something to the side to just give it a little more height. I have my little gingerbread tree I just kind of tossed right here. This might get moved. I have my gingerbread house. I have, let's see, this little guy I made last year, I think. And it was just like a faux book. I think it was actually Halloween. And I painted it and added a gingerbread cookie recipe. I think I'm gonna go ahead and slide it here for now just to see. Maybe I'll put some stuff underneath. I'm definitely gonna be adding one of these faux mugs. I love making these with the caulk from Dollar Tree. I think I'm gonna stick this little guy right here, I think that looks okay. Something else needs to go here, I think. Let's do up high, because I think once I get the top, it'll be better. So let's see. I'm gonna throw this little guy on the other side just to kind of make them kind of even. Okay, we're gonna toss that little guy up here because he's too tall for like these. So no houses can go on these two. So we'll throw that there. I have so many fake treats. I like don't know what to do with these. Like they had them in a jar and I don't have a jar. So I think I'm gonna take some spoons out. We have so many cute spoons. I love making these. These like little faux spoons right here, like with the like fake drip frosting. I made a couple this year, or one this year, and I only made one because I'm just gonna stick it. I did it for a mystery box and the little gingerbread fell off, so I'm not gonna lie, like stuff happens. But I wanted these all together because they look so cute. But I think some of them are just gonna lay around. And then I want some of these like fake cake pops. So we're gonna like just add some to this. It's definitely have to go up because it's way taller. Okay, how cute is that? I think that's gonna work. I like it. I made this one and it was gonna be a tray, but I think I'm gonna actually make it a sign. It was intentionally supposed to be a tray with scrap wood. So the more tall things I have. And then this is gonna have to just scoot over. I think this will be cute. I don't know. Okay, but I do love all of these. These are all like made with Dollar Tree items, but personally, I don't care where it came from, as long as it's cute. I had this up last year too, and I think it's gonna have to go back up. I need something to hold it. Good old Pyrex. This is maybe will work. And then I don't have to put it anywhere. Full. Now we just need to like add like all the little fun things. So I'm gonna do that, and then I will share what it looks like when it is done. All right, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed this fun decorate with me with my Hutch. If you guys want to see more decorating videos, I think I have one more I'm going to do this year. So if you guys want to see some tier tray decorating, I have not done those videos in a couple years, but I think I need to bring them back because they're just so fun and it honestly gets me motivated to get to decorating. Also, don't forget to check out Ana Luisa and their Black Friday sale, up to 30% off. Spend $130, you get a free piece of jewelry. But you guys, that is it. Happy Black Friday shopping. Happy decorating. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you all soon. Bye.